Today I want to show you what I got for the hashtag Weird Container Growing 26 collab. This collab is hosted by Gail over at Gail's Southern Living. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description. If you have been planning to join in on this fun collab, you better hurry. This collab only runs until the end of July. Last year, I bought my weird container at a nearby Rummage sale and never got around to making the video.
First, somebody was selling those little boy boots for 50 cents a pair. But later, I found those with the flowers on the right for only $1, so I grabbed those too. I have silk flowers in them for now, but I do plan to plant some flowers. It's only 48 degrees in Wisconsin, and it's about noon right now on May 21st. But I figured that I could use one of these little setups and slip it into each boot with a flower growing in it. Or I could drill a hole in each one and fill them with soil. To help keep the squirrels off my balcony, I cut some potato chip bags into 1-inch strips and tied them to the railing. They seem to be working pretty good.
Thank you for watching. I hope that you like my weird container. If you've got some old leaky boots, this is a great way to use them. But I bet that you even have a better idea. Let's see what you've got.
My video's a little short, so I'm adding these images of blooming African violets that I found on Pixabay. I hope you enjoy them.